Here I will show you the superset testnet airdrop, how you can join. So, and the totally is very simple. You don't need to do anything crazy amount of things. So totally straightforward and easy to do. So what we need to do is just open a wall sort of link. I will show you the one, two, 3 and 4 link included. I did post, and if I do open all of link, you will see the link open all sort of thing. So here is past link and the alchemy. In order to getting popular faucet, you need to come into this website. So paste your MetaMask wallet EVM wallet address here and click on this send me Ethereum, and in order to getting this thing you need to have 0.000 on Ethereum maybe inside of your wallet. So here is inside of your wallet. So why? Because of they need to check that you are human or you are just spammy inside of their website. So however, maybe you have, or you can do that anyway, or you can send your one account to another account. If you have Sopela faucet already, you can do this way. So if you don't have Sopela faucet, please mm, do it's you need to do manage that Sopela faucet anyway. So here is the 0.00 on Ethereum you need to have, so in order to getting Sopela faucet. So what Sopela faucet is, if you noticed my MetaMask here, I'm showing you there is a testnet. Every testnet, majority testnet, you need to participate by this Sopela faucet. It's just a worthless token that is just using interact with blockchain, nothing else. It is not a complicated thing. It is a like not a network. It is just um, using a crypto blockchain, crypto decentralized exchange, just for interact. So here is I gain this thing while I have inside of my wallet. I'm showing you while I had Ethereum inside of my wallet. So now I haven't, therefore I don't get this thing. So what I need to do is you should have this amount of 0.00 on Ethereum, or you need to manage your Sopela faucet anyway. So if you want from me, I will send you. If you hear me, please write down comment. I will give you some Sopela faucet from my account. So what you need to do is just when you write down comment, paste your wallet address. I will send you. So and the second link is showing you. The second link is this on while you get your Sopela faucet, what you need to do is just come into the second link that I posted on Telegram, and that link is like this. Okay, everything is look like this, and connect your MetaMask, and it will be connected immediately, and your your Ethereum, your Sopela faucet that you get from that website that first I showed you, and that will be here showing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just deposit a little bit amount here. Click on this deposit button, click this box, and depositing your MetaMask will get notified by your RM thing. It is pretty much straightforward, nothing complicated. Just do over and over again, and that's it. So no, never need to do over and over again. Just do once a time. Do withdraw, do deposit, and bam. Okay, nothing complicated here, anything crazy, nothing like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is deposit after click on this withdrawal button, and here is whatever amount you prefer to withdraw. Click on there and um, tick the box initiate withdraw, and your both of task has been done. So it is pretty much straightforward. Okay, nothing complicated, easy and straightforward. So MetaMask will get notified by your attempting and click the Swiss network, go to supersede testnet, and this testnet network would be automatically add inside of your wallet while you're attempting to do withdrawal. Okay, so my withdraw has been like progressing for withdrawing, so you need to do the app, click on approve button in order to confirm the withdraw. So the work has been done. Now in the um, after a while I will show you the number three link and discussion. Okay, we'll talk about the number three, you know, link, that is layer 3. So I will just show you how you can accomplish this task. After doing those tasks, what you need to do is come into layer 3, and here is layer 3. What you need to do is just run fuck up, just accomplish your quest. Okay, so this is a simple task, a social task. Just what you need to do is intro. Just you don't need to read this thing, just click on this showing you here is continue button. Maybe you are seeing here, here is continue button. Right after here I'm showing you here, I'm talking about this one. So here is your button, and what you need to do is just click on this continue button and click verify button. It will be done, and just to follow their instructions. So here is in this one, SOP testnet already added bridge to this to this I already bridge, and follow especially it will be done immediately. So what number three task has been done. Okay, so now what we need to do is number four task is um Glax task. Okay, it is the same like as we did before recently, and it is same like layer 3. Here is Glax. They are a hosting platform, like they do host quiz, and here is what we need to do is same task, a social task. Just follow their Twitter. I'm showing you, sorry for a delay, a problem. So I'm showing you click on this background. So here is our three number task is this. So do the task complete and it will be immediately done. Okay, so this is our task. So it is progressing here. After a while it will be open. So here is what you need to do is just connect your metamask both of the platform layer 3 and glux, and what you need to do is just click every task, if of every task, and you need to connect your metamask, this metamask, and you know, same MetaMask you need to connect, and the same address should has to be, and follow by your account Twitter, like whatever task, every task you need to be done. After clicking, after done all sort of task, you need to click on this arrow button. Okay, and it will be immediately done. So maybe you already know about this type of task, and it's this airdrop is maybe some people feel like water, likes water easy, so people maybe can think. So yeah, it is maybe easy to them, but some people feel complicated. So if you do that thing is over and over again, it will be easy to you as well. So this is the task. So I need to go now. So if you feel this video is slightly helped you, please write down comment where you're from. So see you later in the next time. Until